Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you actually need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So I'm so excited. I have another client on. Her name is Iris. And say hello, Iris.
Hello, everyone.
And I just wanted to have Iris on. She got started about a year ago. New to this, like I always tell a lot of people, but Iris was determined. She actually came to a couple of our YouTube videos, and then she came to our masterclass, and then she decided to be a student and upgraded to a client. So I'm so excited to have her here because she just won her first government cleaning contract. So Yay! Iris, I wanted to ask you a couple of questions. So first, what made you decide to want to go into cleaning? Why cleaning?
Years ago, I was doing little cleaning with a small company back in Georgia, and I really liked it. I really enjoyed everything that she was doing and stuff. But she was only cleaning construction buildings,
Okay.
post construction. She was into post construction, and I worked with her for like a year and a half. So I really liked it, and I enjoyed it, and
that's what
I want to do it on my own.
Okay, well, good. So you have just been awarded your first government cleaning contract. And let's ask a couple of questions, because I know there are a lot of people that are looking to get into government. They want to move out of either residential or they want to add government to their portfolio. I always say it's a long-term strategy. So you want to look at it long-term because it can literally change your life. So you can add hundreds of thousands of dollars if it's done where you can win the contracts and make sure you perform. So what did you do to prepare for your walkthroughs? First, how did you find the contract? How did you find the bid?
At first, I attended your, I used to watch you a lot on YouTube.
Okay.
I watched you for like a year before I even decided to come to one of the master classes.
Okay.
So I was attending a couple of your master classes, and then the last one that I attended, I just really felt the feeling that it was going to be a good outcome. So I enrolled in your class in the Academy of Cleaning class, and went up under you, and you took me through everything.
Well, thank you so much. The bid that you have that I know we helped you with, where did you find that? Did we send that bid to you, or did you?
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
okay. I couldn't. I didn't even know, because
Yeah.
we sent you the bid, because I know we have a bid platform. We sent you the bid, and then we helped you fill it out, and then you went to the walkthrough. So tell me about the walkthrough. How was the walkthrough with the night before? Did you do anything to prep? Or I know we spoke a little bit, but I know a lot of people are concerned about that first walkthrough. So when you got there, what was it? Were there other people there? Was it okay? So there were more people bidding.
Yes, there was more people there because the contract actually is awarded to multiple companies.
Okay.
So it was more people there. All of us was there. So they just took us through everything. They showed us everything that needs to be done. And 2 weeks later, I received a call saying that I was chosen. I was one of the ones that was chosen for the contract. And today I'm going to meet with them to sign off everything and put everything else together.
Okay. So when you were at the walkthrough, did they show you what you're going to clean? Did they give you this? So they showed you everything.
They show everything.
Everything.
Yeah, we went to it's a large contract. So we went to like 3 different places that was like nearby. We went into like 3 different buildings, and they just kind of went through everything. But today there actually is gonna really get more deeper into it.
Do it.
Everything. But yeah, back then all they did, they just kind of laid everything out.
I am so excited. So last couple of questions. So were there a lot of people there that you could team up with? I was wondering, is the layout where you can team up with other people, or what was the layout like?
Yes, teaming up with someone that I did, me and another young lady, we did talk and we did exchange numbers. So after I think she goes tomorrow. She was one of the ones chosen as well. She goes tomorrow to meet with them. So after I go today and she go tomorrow, we're gonna get together over the weekend and talk and see how many employees I have or how many employees she have, and see can we help each other out.
See, that's what I love. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That teaming is fantastic.
Yes,
Well,
yes.
I know you're a busy woman. You just won a very large contract. I'm so glad we were able to be a part of that.
Thank
But I also
you.
like to let people know that it's you. You are the one that had to put the work in. You're the one that stayed the course. You're the one that gave us the information that we needed in order to find you the contract
Yes,
on the bid platform. And then you had to do the walkthrough. You had to have the confidence to show up. So it's a mind thing as well as the other parts
definitely.
that fit together. Well,
Yes,
Iris, I just want to say
definitely.
thank you again for giving people
Thank
a
you.
little bit of a backdrop of what's
Mhm.
required, what does it take, but it definitely does work. So
Oh,
I'm not
yes.
normally one to put a lot of people on as an interview, but I know that some people get a little stuck and not quite sure if it's a good fit for them because they don't have
Mhm.
any experience or they haven't been in business for years or they don't have any
Yes.
employees. You fit all of this. You had really no employees but you, didn't have
Nope.
a lot of experience, and here you
Nope.
are with a very large first contract. So
Right.
congratulations. And I'd
Okay.
like to say, if anyone else wants to attend our free masterclass, make sure you sign up,
Mhm.
register today, or reach out to us at 407-986-8228. Love to see you there. Space is limited. And until the next video, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.